If you are a long-time Windows user, you have probably heard of Putty, an SSH and Telnet client that's been around since 1999 and is still developed and maintained by Simon Tatham. It is available on Windows, obviously, but it's also available on macOS and Linux. And so, when I was asked, can you get it for FreeBSD as well, I decided to make this small video. Putty is a free and open source terminal emulator, serial console and network file transfer application. It supports several network protocols, including SCP, SSH, Telnet, RLogin and raw socket connection. It can also connect to a serial port, if that's what you want to do. To install in FreeBSD, you can either install from a package using PKG, or install from ports, using the in-directory approach or by using, say, Portmaster. All the functions of Putty are there as they are on Windows, such as logging, a terminal emulator, various choices for fonts, etc., and a large array of connection possibilities, which include SSH, serial, Telnet, RLogin, and SupDup, which sounds great, but it really is an old login protocol used mainly by PDP-10. This version of Putty is brought to us using GTK3. It's not explicit in the package or port name, but it is. But if you want GTK2, for whatever reason, then you can install it using the same choice of methods as the default one, but adding a -GTK2 at the end. It has the same functions and is only differentiated by the toolkit used. So unless you really need or want to use GTK2, the default one should be used instead. So that's the two official implementations done and dusted. But before we are finished, a quick mention of gputty, which is a front end to the SSH client. It's not Putty per se, but it is a Putty clone, and it's based on the tools available with a simplified GUI. So there you go. Putty is available for FreeBSD if you need it. It's easy to install and it's up to date. Boom, done and dusted. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time.